everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I've got a bead haul from Fire Mountain Gems. They had a sale. I'm not going to say what the name of the sale was because I don't remember. But anyway, it was a bead clearance sale where some of the beads were like 86 cents, and so I just went to town. So I'm gonna unpackage these and I'll be right back. The whole point of all this is I will put a link down below where I got these bead boxes that I needed so bad. Sorry for the crinkling. So I'm gonna put the beads in my bead boxes. Many of these are dyed or otherwise altered, but I don't believe it says that on the bag. But anyway, these are magnesite. Just a really pretty blue-green with a gold crackling in it. Those are really pretty. Blue moon beads. And unfortunately, it doesn't even tell what type of bead they are. They feel like maybe they're glass. I'm not sure. But anyway, they're really, really pretty. And a rather unusual shape. Kind of a trapezoidy kind of. And I do not know what type of beads these are. Made in China, so I'm assuming they're glass. But I don't know. I'm sure on the invoice it will tell me. These are a faux halite that is actually a resin, I believe. And I got 2 strands of these. Really interesting. I got 2 of these, and although these are not labeled, I actually remember these are supposedly jade. Really weighty. Really pretty with a lot of different colorations to them. Really, it's really weird. These almost feel like aventurine or something. Okay. And these are glass, and they come from India. These are stunning. I'm sorry, if y'all know me, you know I love green. Really nice size, and again, no label. These, I don't know, they're really pretty. I'll just have to look it up on the invoice. That is one of the things that has disappointed me. For a jewelry parts and supplier, just label the stuff. Yes, these are chip cat's eyes. So, yellow and green. I got 2 bags of the yellow. And now that I said that, these actually, I don't know. Once again, no labels. That is a really annoyance. Really pretty. God, these are so pretty. I love that stone satiny kind of feel. Really nice. These are a serpentine, forest green serpentine. Really pretty. I like the triangle shape of them. It's very unusual. I actually know what they are. These are hematite. Really pretty. A cylindrical bead. I would call it instead of a tube bead, but really and truly could go either way. Those are so pretty. Love them. Sorry, bye for now. I've actually got an Etsy shop, an Amazon storefront that I actually get a little kickback from. I gotta say that. And all my other social media links are listed below. Bye for now.